Hello geometry students, I'm going to make a quick video here over 7.5 part 2. This is over the triangle angle bisector, those parts. So if you want to take a moment to pause the video and write this down, what this is saying is the segments that the angle bisector creates are proportional to the sides. So Km over Lm is proportional to Kj over LJ. So go ahead and take a moment to write that down. Very similar to what we've seen in the last video. So here's an example. I'll let you go ahead and pause the video to write this down. So notice that it's the segments that the angle bisector creates to the sides. So we need to figure out what ST is. If the whole thing is 18, a lot of students think ST is 18. That's not true. So like if I told you if like let's say X was 5, what would ST be? 13, right? So with that said, this is going to be 18 minus X. So when we set this up, it's going to be 6 over X is equivalent to, and you know what, I was just thinking, would this make more sense if we kept it to the sides? So 6 corresponds to 14 is equal to X over 18 minus X. Just to keep it the same as the theorem, but we've learned in the past that you can set it up anyways. So go ahead and take a moment, cross multiply, and see what you come up with. So you should go ahead and add the 6 over, so that's going to be 20x equals 108. And then we divide by 20, and so x equals 5.4. Awesome. Okay, next one. What about this one right here? How would you set this up? Right, x over 13 is equal to 4 over 6. Go ahead and pause the video and solve that. And this is what I got right here. X equals 8 2/3. Or you could also write 8.6 repeating. Again, if you have any questions, make sure you're writing this down and bringing it to me so I can help you with that. Okay, so that's all I have today. Whoopsie. And you guys have a great day and keep working on that to-do list. All right, we'll see y'all later.